Hey, what's up, guys? This is your girl Carolyn with yet another video. Here in this video, you guys see me getting down and dirty, just cleaning up. The story behind this, the backstory to this, is that my kids and I had gone down south to West Palm Beach to go visit a bunch of people, including my mom and dad. And the kids went over there for a party and ended up staying for a week in between my mom and my dad's house. And then I went to go pick them up and unexpectedly spent another week over there. And I was a bit anxious about coming back home. We moved not so long ago. Just to let you guys know, we moved 3 hours away from my family. And it hasn't been that easy to get settled down and get used to being 3 hours away from everybody when we're accustomed to spending so much time with everybody and seeing everybody in the weekends and almost every day, living with my nephew for so long and my sister. So it's been something to get accustomed to. So I was a bit anxious to come back home, and I was dreading it to the point that we actually ended up staying an extra day. But once we did come home, I don't know why, something weird happened on the drive home that I was literally like feeling great on that 3 hour drive. I did it there was no rest stops in between, and I felt great. Like, I felt good. I blasted the music, put down the windows. The kids and I got to see the horses and the cows and experience the fresh air. It wasn't raining. It wasn't cloudy. It was really, really good weather. And once I got home, I just got into this fever of wanting to clean up the patio and do a bunch of things. And this is what you guys are seeing here. But yeah, this is our new space, and we're going to be making new videos from here. Hoping to share this with you guys and more stories about where we are now and what we're doing. Hopefully nothing but good news. Thank you guys for consecutively watching my videos. Thank you for the views and the shares and the likes. Don't forget to subscribe to this video, and we'll hopefully see you guys soon. See you on the next one. Bye. Mwah.